Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we have a face-off between two titans of the 3D printing world, the Anycubic 4K Plus Retin 3D printer and the Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer. First up, let's talk about the price, because, let's face it, we all have bills to pay and avocados to buy. The Anycubic 4K Plus comes in at a cool $229. That's almost like getting a 3D printer for the price of a fancy dinner date with wine. On the other hand, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is priced at $479. That's right, folks, almost double. For that price, it better print me a new pair of shoes. So if you're on a budget, the Anycubic 4K Plus is your new best friend. But let's see if the Flashforge justifies its hefty price tag. Next, let's dive into print quality. The Anycubic 4K Plus boasts a 6.6 inches 4K plus monochrome LCD screen with a resolution so high it can probably print out the Mona Lisa with her mysterious smile intact. It even comes with an ultra-large scratch-resistant screen protector. Reviewers love its high-quality results, especially for printing detailed miniatures. Meanwhile, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M has dual fan nozzles and multiple nozzle sizes. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printing, ready for any material you throw at it. Plus, it features vibration compensation, so even if you have the hand stability of a caffeinated squirrel, your prints will still come out perfect. Users praise its speed and accuracy, although it's noted to be a bit loud. Now, let's talk speed and efficiency. The Anycubic 4K Plus has a single-layer exposure time of 1.5 to 3 seconds. That's like the blink of an eye, folks. Reviewers appreciate its reliability despite not being the fastest. Meanwhile, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M can reach travel speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second. That's faster than my internet connection on a good day. Plus, it has a Core XY structure for stable high-speed printing, and you can control it all from a mobile app. So you can monitor your print while binge-watching your favorite shows. Talk about multitasking, users commend its speed and ease of use. When it comes to features, Anycubic throws in their Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0 software for free. It's like getting a bonus gift with your purchase. It's packed with features like slicing, punching, and model repair, perfect for those who love tinkering. Some users did note that the auto-leveling can be unreliable, but overall, they are happy with the features. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, is all about ease of use. One-click automatic printing, rapid nozzle changes, and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy removal. It's like the IKEA of 3D printers, easy to assemble and user-friendly. Reviewers highlight its perfect bed leveling and intuitive menu system, but mention it could be quieter. Reviewers have praised the Anycubic 4K Plus for its affordability, high-quality prints, and useful features, though some noted minor setup difficulties. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is lauded for its speed, versatility, and ease of use, with some suggestions for noise reduction and filament handling improvements. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for affordability and detailed prints, the Anycubic 4K Plus is your best bet. But if you want speed, versatility, and a ton of smart features, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is worth the splurge. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Leave a comment below and let us know which 3D printer you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart.